Hello class and welcome to week 11 of ACLT 053 Online. For this week in ACLT 053 Online, you will be doing a little bit more because we're going to be working on the writing reflection from last week before the Easter holiday. So let's get right to it. For this week in ACLT 053 Online, you'll be working on the CRJS Week 4 discussion board posting, and you'll also be working on the Module 3 Week 4 reading and writing reflection. So first you'll be doing the Module 3 Week 4 reading and writing reflection. So you're going to reflect on last week, what you did, what you used to think and what you now think, how you connect, extend, and challenge your thinking based on the readings, the reflections, the videos, the discussions, all that you had to do in English 101. You're going to reflect on those. This is very much what you've been doing in the past, what you see, what you think, what you wonder, and then of course I'd like you to respond to 2 other students' posts as well after you've done your reflection. Make sure to organize your ideas into 2 to 3 paragraphs. Okay, so that's the reflection, and let's get to this week's posts. You're going to do the CRJS Week 4 discussion board post. So in English 101 for this week, you're working on the peer reviews. And for ACLT 053, I'd like you to write your essay proposal and the common readings, okay? So write 1 to 2 paragraphs, a proposal of your essay's purpose and the analysis of the common readings. So what is your topic? Why did you choose it? Who is the audience for the essay? What will you need to consider to include in this essay? What sources will you use from the common readings? What information do you need to find on your own for research? And what do you want your audience to know? Organize your ideas in 1 to 2 paragraphs. Make sure to include an MLA style works cited entry, and also make sure to respond to at least 2 other posts for this posting that's coming up at the end of the week. Then you'll be working on your writing reflection. Okay, so for the Module 3, Week 4 reading and writing reflection, you will be reflecting on what you've learned this week, having to do with the peer reviews, the essays, the composition of your criminal justice essay, and so forth. So what did you used to think and what do you now think? How do you connect, extend, and challenge your thinking? What do you see, think, and wonder? What do you notice? Please respond in paragraph format and include at least 2 examples from the reading. Use quotation marks for direct quotation and use in-text citation at the end of your quote, last name of the author and the page, or if it is a summary of information you have put into your own words, at the end of the page, make sure to include in-text citation with the last name of the author and the page or paragraph number. After you have done your reflection in paragraph format, please make sure to respond to at least 2 other peers' posts. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.